In this video, I'm going to tell you the 5 best affiliate networks to work with and one that's overhyped. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur. And today I wanted to share some of the best affiliate networks to work with. Now, my criteria for which affiliate networks are the best is real simple. I look at which networks have quality partners with longevity primarily, and then secondarily it's the interface, the links they provide, the support they give you, but primarily it's the quality of the partners. And let's just jump right into it. So the first one is dash.partnerstack.com. So Dash it's called. I'll link all the networks, of course, in the description, but this network is amazing, Dash Stack. You can see here tons of quality partners you can sign up with. Like, these are software companies, and what's great about software companies, a lot of them even do recurring revenue. So every single sale you make, you actually get a commission. You know, for example, with let's see here, they also have a lot of earn 20% of every sale. So really easy, guys, and the sign up process is pretty simple as well. You know, you can just hit join, and once you're approved, you can very easily add additional partners. It's not a long, lengthy process. So love Partner Stack. Next is CJ Affiliate. This is really the second network I got started with. I'll tell you about the first one a little later. Great network, been around forever, super reputable. And what I like about this one is it's not just software. They do have a lot of different niches. I mean, military, you can see here, all sorts of stuff, home and garden. So I understand that everyone's niche is different. So if you're looking for a network that might have, like these guys do, junk pickup. So, so if you're looking for a network that has a lot of different offers, this is a great one. And especially for stuff that's not as competitive, you know, maybe a lot of people are going after software. So, this might be a great one for you. And another thing I love about CJ is they have spent a lot of time building out a really in-depth portal. Like, you can see where people are coming from, their clicks. You can see which browser they use. I'll actually link a video that I created with a bit more in-depth tutorial on how tracking works in CJ. But again, really super reputable network. Next is Impact. So Impact's looks a lot like Partner Stack, but it's great for the exact same reasons. It has a lot of great providers, good interface, just like Partner Stack. I mean, like Lead Pages, Squarespace, these are Canva. These are probably brands you've heard of, and these are all on the platform. So another great network with a great, simple to use interface. Now, the fourth one I'll suggest is Rakuten Advertising. So a lot of great programs on here, despite the interface looking like it's 1993, especially the color scheme. I think they must have made this in GeoPages or something. For all of you guys who are a little older who remembers GeoPages or Angel Fire, shout out to you guys. But yeah, so this is, yeah, it looks terrible, but a ton of great programs. As you can see, a lot of different categories on here. So I would encourage you to look past this. And once you learn the interface, it's not as bad, but it's a little bit less intuitive, but a lot of great providers. One of my favorites on here is Udemy. So that's like courses. You can sell online courses, especially, you know, that's something where people always want to get more training. So a great product that's only offered on here. And finally, even though it's not technically a network, it sort of is, but it's a network that only sells Amazon products. It's Amazon Affiliates, right, guys? The OG affiliate network, or affiliate provider. Everyone cuts their teeth on Amazon affiliates, and it makes sense, right? Everything Amazon sells is available for you, right? Like, here's a book. You can do an audio book sign, a trial. Anything you sell on here, it's so easy to get a link. You just go search for whatever you want, and Amazon has this built in once you log in, and there's your link. What I also love about it is you don't need to use Bitly or a link shortener. Amazon does it for you, and it's a branded link. So it doesn't say bit.ly.com/whatever, right? It says amazon.to. Now, of course, you can get your own branded links and stuff using your own domain tools. I'm aware of that, but I'm just saying out of the box, that's what it provides. And so I said I'd talk about the one that's overhyped, and in my opinion, that's my Max Bounty. So Max Bounty, in my opinion, is a network where 90% of the stuff is garbage. Like look at this. You get $40 for referring people to a shaman. Right. And but then you have good ones like Instacart, right? But then there's CBD gummies. I've seen all kinds of crazy things on here, like male enhancement. You'll be like, marry Russian brides. It's crazy. Just like I've seen like Donald Trump Patriot coins, just surveys to win, like fill in a survey and win 5 cruises, like just all around nonsense. And like these Target gift cards, like, but again, McAfee antivirus, great product, will be around, but 90% of the products on here are fly-by-night offers that are just here for 4 weeks or 2 weeks, and then they're gone, right? Like, I mean, like, look at this, like Jack McKell, casual dating, like, I mean, you can make money on Max Bounty. It's just difficult to build a business when these offers are changing every 3 or 4 weeks, and when you're working with programs and partners that are less than reputable. It's not a sustainable strategy. I would stay away from Max Bounty overall. I mean, if you're looking for an antivirus program, you can get the same thing on CJ Affiliate and so many other networks as an example. So the few reputable companies they have, typically they're also on other networks. Check out those 5 affiliate networks. If you have any questions about my experiences working with them, drop it in the comments. Love to help you guys out. And like and subscribe if you found the video helpful. Drop new videos multiple times a week. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.